Hello, my name is Marloes Mul and I'm an Associate Professor of Water Resources Management at IHE Delft Institute for Water Education. Today I'm going to talk about the WaPOR data and version history. The beta version of the WaPOR data became available in 2017, starting with the continental scale, and over the following months the country level data and first high resolution areas were added. This beta version was evaluated and tested by the WaPOR team. Initial bugs were fixed and the interception was added to the evapotranspiration. The first official version was launched in August 2018. This version was evaluated in detail and improvements were suggested to version 2. This version now provides total biomass production, whereas the older versions provided above ground biomass production, which was used as a fixed above over total ratio of 0.65, which actually differs per vegetation and crop type. Now users can apply their own ratio of above over total biomass production to calculate the above ground biomass data. Various other improvements were made on parameterization. The final version, version 3 of the WaPOR data, will be launched in 2023. Next to updating the input data to calculate the WaPOR data, the database will also provide the data on a global level. More details regarding the different versions of the WaPOR data can be found in the course materials. The WaPOR data has three so-called levels, which relate to the spatial resolution and are provided for different geographical areas. The level 1 data has a spatial resolution of 250 meters and for version 1 and 2 covers the African continent and Near East areas. For the version 3, the data will be made available globally at 300 meter resolution. The level 2 data has a spatial resolution of 100 meter and for version 1 and 2 was available for specific countries and river basins. For version 3, the 100 meter resolution data will be made available for the old WaPOR extent, Africa and the Near East. Finally, the high resolution data of 30 meter resolution is made available for specific areas, mostly focusing on agricultural lands. The number and locations continue to expand. In the map you can see the current available locations of level 3 data. The WaPOR database version 2 consists of various products that support the monitoring of water use in agriculture. Most layers are available at each level, except for the climate layers in the form of precipitation and reference evapotranspiration, which are only available for level 1. They are available at a coarser resolution than 250 meter due to the underlying resolution of the input data. The precipitation data has a spatial resolution of 5 kilometers and is derived from the CHIRPS database with some gap filling done. The reference ET data is created specifically for WaPOR and is available at 20 km resolution. This will be improved for version 3 to 10 km resolution. The water-related layers are all created specifically for the WaPOR database and consist of separate layers for interception, evaporation and transpiration, as well as a combined layer of actual evapotranspiration and interception. The land layers consist of net primary production, which is then converted to total biomass production. This also provides the land cover classification, which is derived from the Copernicus land cover map of 2015, with an annual update of the cropland into irrigated, rainfed and fallow, based on a water deficit index. The level 3 data has a crop classification map developed by WaPOR. The phenology layer is derived from satellite-based vegetation index time series and provides the start and end of the crop season, and this information is available for level 2 and 3. The water productivity layers consist of both net and gross water productivity layers, which are calculated by dividing the biomass production over transpiration or evapotranspiration, either at annual timescales for level 1 or seasonal timescale based on the phenology for level 2 and 3. Additional datasets are available that detail the quality of the NDVI and LST layers. An overview of the different temporal resolutions of the WaPOR data is provided here. The core of the WaPOR data, such as the water layers and the net primary production, are provided at decadal time step and then also made available at monthly and annual time steps in the portal. The climate data is the only data that's also available at daily time steps. Other composite products such as the total biomass production and water productivity layers are available for integrated time periods such as annual for level 1 and seasonal for level 2 and 3. The phenology layer is used to identify the seasons in level 2 and 3. The crop classification for level 3 is available for decadal time steps. A new version of data version of the WaPOR was released in 2023. This WaPOR version 3 now provides data for the entire globe at 300-meter resolution. The level 2 data of 100-meter resolution will be made available for the old WaPOR extent of Africa and MEDAN region. Level 3 areas will remain available for specific areas. Once available, we will share more information about the changes in version 3. Thank you for your attention.